What is happening, good people of the fly fishing world? Beyond the Fly here, gonna bring to you another. This would be our second unveiling, unboxing. So today we're gonna get started right off the bat. I've been waiting to get this done and have a beautiful day and lighting everything really good for you. So here we go. From the good old boys at Moonshine Rod, it's a 10-foot 3-weight Euro nymphing setup. Oh yeah. Let's see what we've got inside. Pretty excited to see this one for the very first time. I did drop it off. Throw that in there. A little bit of packing. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. And I'm assuming there's a sticker in there. Oh yeah, my friends. There's a sticker. All right, so I dig that. That's awesome. I want to try to get the Euro game on and get a Czech nymphing setup, rig set up, and see how we can do. You guys ready to see this? Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Because I'm ready. I've been waiting a while for this. Let's get a close-up. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my word. There it is in all of its beauty. Moonshine on there. Midnight special. It is the midnight special. Bam. All right, so we're gonna have a 4-piece. Let's get this thing laced up. Oh, I can't wait to get this on the water. Even though it's gonna be completely new to me, it's always fun to learn something new. We're supposed to challenge ourselves. We don't have forever here on the planet, you know? Gotta soak it up while we can. That's a long rod right there. Quality. Made in the US of A. Coming at ya. Love that color. Excellent quality. Everything looks really good. I am a fan of that flat black. There it is. It's got some good action. Ooh, feels balanced. All right, let's get the reel on there. Let's carefully set that down. You know, it's gonna get banged up. That's just how it is. But let's try to at least get on the water before we do that. All right, now next, another product made in the USA, my friends. These guys, Ross Reels. You know you've seen it in the other edition, our 7-weight. That thing is bad to the bone. I have a feeling this is gonna be the same. So when you get the box, order it again. This is the Evolution R. Guess what? I have a feeling it's blacked out. Inside the box, again, detail, sticker, registration card. Definitely want to make sure you register your product. If you're like me, you're hard on things and you may need somebody to fix it at some point. Neoprene, protective case. Here's what we got, folks. Oh, that's right. That's right. It's matte black. Bam. All day long. Let it shimmer in this fine Colorado sun. Right there, that's what I'm talking about. I love that product. Feels so good. The cool thing about this guy that I'm gonna have to say is I can't wait is this integrated drag system that they got right here. You pretty much, the way I'm looking at it, or a little bit of the research that I've done online, when you got that puppy set up on there, I mean, it's just like you can finger licking good. Just cranking all day long. Oh yeah, nah, maybe a little bit more. Now, with that being said, I'm not sure we're gonna really necessarily need that with the tight line setup, but I don't know, never done it. So we're gonna find out. So you're gonna kind of learn along with me here. Just wanted to show you what we're throwing on together from the get-go. So you all can be a part of this, for especially anybody new that's gonna be doing the tight lining setup. Here you go. You can start, you can learn right along with me. Right now, we're gonna use it on our Euro setup, but I do love the features, attention to detail. Again, big supporter of things made in the USA, okay? All right, let's buckle this puppy up. I do have it on a left-hand retrieve. The numbness in I got feeling back. So that's all I needed. Some of my older videos you've seen that I had it right hand set up, there's a reason for that. There's always a reason for everything that I do here. My friends, Is that not just the sweetest thing ever? I mean, how can you not love that action? Blacked out. It's tasty. All right, so here's what we've got on the Ross Reels Evolution R34 weight. We've got another Rio product. This is part of their Euro Nymphing. It's the specialty series. All right, so there's very little taper to it, and you're not going to have a lot of this out on the water. I'm assuming. There's a lot to learn. Bird, we're trying to do an unboxing, please. Good knit. Anyhow, so what we've got, so this line is specifically for a Czech style nymphing setup. Supposed to be super, super sensitive, and that's what we're gonna want if you do get it out there, or if you got a long drift, which we got to figure all that out. But that's what we got on for our line. For our leader, it's another Rio product. So this one is going to be for the Euro Nymphing, and it's also going to have our indicator on there. Okay, so if we look at this, on our leader, it may be kind of hard to see. Try to do our best here. But there's going to be our indicator, and that I'm assuming we're going to ride just above the water as we make our drifts to give us at least a visual indicator of where things are at. Okay, so we'll put that on there. Not sure if you can see that or not. Okay, so that's what we got on there. That's what we're going to tie our tippet to, and then we can get after it. So there's pretty much. So got it mated up right there. Done deal. So try to do this quick and easy, get it rigged up so we can get down on the water. And essentially we're going to be practicing for a while. That's just how it's going to be. That's how it's going to be. So I'm thinking, the way that it's looking today, my friends, we should go get down on the water and get our practice on and see if we can possibly put a fish in the net. So I appreciate you hanging out here with me on this quick unboxing and this reveal of another midnight special from the Moonshine Rod Company and the Ross Reel folks. You can follow along. You can please subscribe, like, leave a comment, especially if you got any ideas for how to optimize a Czech style setup. That would be greatly appreciated as we continue this journey and we try to learn together in this little community that we got going on here. But right now, I can't wait to drift a couple flies. Let's go fishing, my friends.